Hi everyone, today is the first day of our conversation and today we are going to talk about logo design. I make this logo from Photoshop, very important video for your life. Watch to the end. Let's get started. Create a new layer and name here. The 4000 pixel and height 4000 pixel. Resolution 300. Okay. Then create a new layer and select marquee tool. Then okay. Fill the color. Okay. Control J and hold Control key, left click. Okay. Control X, delete this layer. Control J, again Control J, hide the layer. Okay. Control X, delete this layer. Active this layer. Control T and skew. Okay. Select move tool, Control T. Then okay. Control J this layer, hide, Control J. Add mask and select brush tool, black color. Hold shift key, left click. Okay. Hold the shift key, left click. Okay. And then add mask, hold shift key, left click. And same here. Okay, that's good. Oh, sorry. Now, okay. Active this layer and hold Control key, left click, color line. Control key, left click, add mask. Oh, nice. Select brush tool, fill the same color. Okay, active this layer. Hold Control key, erase this area. Okay, add mask. Add this gray color. Select brush tool. Hold shift key. Hold shift key, left click. And same here. Okay, there is the same orange color here, the circle. Okay, then here is this area. Hold the shift key and left click. Okay, sorry. Okay, same here. Now write the text. Overlay logo. Okay, select the move tool. Alt press left. Change the text style. Okay, your tag here. Okay,